Welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine and this is Random Acts of Artistry. I know, I'm super late, but I'm back at it. This week, I will be tackling 4 different picture frames, and they are inspired by Valentine's Day, which has just already passed, but we're not gonna go over that. But these 4 picture frames, I found inspiration from Pinterest, where I will be doing different designs on those frames and seeing how they turn out. So follow along with me, Jasmine, at Random Acts of Artistry, and we're going to be on time the next time, maybe not, but where we will be tackling heart-shaped picture frames and inspiration from Pinterest. All right, here we go. Did I OD or what on all of this stuff? Crazy, yo. So this is all of the materials that we have today for that. So of course we got to start this thing off right. We got some pom-poms. So we're going to try to see if we can use some pom-poms, some paint, and our frame. Let's see what we can do. All right, so get your hot glue together. Don't burn your fingers, and let's start gluing these pom-pom balls onto our frame. Side note, if your hand's not dirty, you ain't a real artist. Up next, we are on to our next project, and somehow I have purchased so many materials. Who knows? I got some studs, some beads, some sticky diamonds, faux diamonds, that is, some pop, something I found in Michael's. Who knows? Of course, our picture frame, and some gold paint. Pull out that hot glue gun again and start gluing those beads. Lip service announcement: do not burn your fingers, but honestly, it's gonna happen. As you can see, I have used none of the materials that I purchased in the beginning of this video, in the beginning of this portion of the project, but I think it turned out pretty cute. What do you think? So up next, we have our next project. We got a ruler, some scissors, some paint, of course, our picture frame, and some paper from Walmart. Here we go. We're going to paint that frame blue. All right, so we have our sheets of paper and we are going to just measure out a couple of different size strips of paper that we are ultimately going to use to roll. This technique is called paper quilling. You can find it on Pinterest, find it on YouTube. It's a really dope technique that I attempted to try and do today. Attempted is the best word to define what I did. So now it's time to assemble. Pull out that handy dandy hot glue gun again, and let's start protecting our fingers and gluing these paper quill hearts down into some form of a pattern. We're going to follow our hearts and let it design its own pattern for us. see the pattern forming. I see what you're doing. I see the color combo. Another great project completed, and it came out pretty good. Took a long time though, so if you got time on your hands, check it out. And last but not least, I just came up with this design and I wanted to use yarn to make the design. So I am measuring out different blocks or lines, and I'm gonna fill those blocks and lines with the different color yarn that I have found. So let's see how it turns out. Now at this point, if you don't do nothing else from this video but learn to protect your fingers from this hot glue that's burning a hole in it, I'm just saying. And here we are at the end with our final project. And what is the message of today? Just love. Love, love, love. We're a little late with the love, but we still love it. All right. And here we are at the end of the video where we finished all 4 picture frames. I feel like they all came out pretty good, if you let me tell it. But I hope you decide to check these out, try them at home. You could probably go on Amazon and find you some heart-shaped picture frames because you know Valentine's Day is over, but that's cool. That'll be all right. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. All right, peace.